Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. Like we have just covered up many of the things using Java and React 18 and I hope you understand that all stuff. Like in the previous video we have just learned about React 18 in which we have learned what to do next in React 18. So today we are working with Java and today I will be telling you that how to build an amazing project using Java, and today we are just building the project using Java. Like we have covered up many of the projects using Java and we have started recently on the Java series, and with this Java series, like you all know that we are also doing the React 18 series, and I've uploaded 70 plus video of React 18, and more video will be coming up with this Java. More videos will be coming up of React 18 as well, and I've also started big videos upload. Like you all know that I am uploading big videos as well, in which I am building the projects using Next.js 13, React.js, and you can say we are also building the project using commerce.js. Like previously we have built an amazing e-commerce web shop, and in that e-commerce web shop we have just used commerce.js, react.js, and many other stuff. We have also built the stripe section in that, and I hope you understand that because that was different video for you, because in that video I've just only you can say I've just only built one product, and I've just made all the sections at the back end, like how to make the cart section, shopping section, checkout section, all that stuff. So I hope you understand today's video as well, in which we are covering up the projects related to Java. And if you understand today's video and if you just learn things from today's video, so remember to hit a like, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can understand these all amazing things, because I'll be uploading more videos like that in future. And remember to check out my all the previous videos which I have uploaded, because that will giving you help. Like just I have also uploaded the Java script series, and we have covered up all the videos related to JavaScript. That was project based videos which I have covered up. Remember to check that out, because that will giving you help if you want to learn JavaScript project based learning from start to end. So remember to check that. So just now we'll be starting with our today's video and seeing that what project we are building today and how we are just using Java to build this project from start to end. So just like I telling you, we'll be just building an amazing password checker using Java, and I hope you'll be understanding today's video. Like we have covered up many of the projects using Java and React 18. So today in this video we'll be covering up the Java project of password checker. So we'll be now seeing that how we can just build this amazing password checker using Java. So for building this amazing password checker, here you have to open VS Code. After opening the VS Code, I will be closing all these files and I will be opening my folder. But here first of all I will be making new window, because already I have opened one folder previously on. So I will be now opening my folder here, which is on desktop with the name of password checker using Java. You can see here it is. So I'll be now pressing select folder to open this. Here is our main file. So I will be erasing all the codes from this file because I will be not needing it here. So I will be now erasing these all stuff. Then you have to directly save on this file. And after saving, just you have to move here as well and remove things from here. Save, and then you have to now just press Ctrl V to close side panel. Then I will be now moving and opening it in my default browser, which is Google Chrome. So here it is. I will be now right clicking and open this. You can see now we are getting here the title of password checker. So I will be now just changing the title here, means the titles will be same. Just I will be now writing in Java here, or using Java you can write. So I will be now doing one thing. I will be moving in the title and writing here in Java. Save it. And you can see if I reload, you can see that we are just now getting password checker in Java, our title. So when you are getting this here, we have to move in the body tag and we have to start our main codes which we have to write in this project of password checker. So for building this amazing password checker using Java, we have to now just first of all write the main tag. Here you have to set the class here, and in class I will be now writing here display flex column. Then you have to just move down, and then you have to write here display. Then I will be writing here flex column again like this. And after writing this thing, just I will be now moving down. Here I will be now writing here password checker which we are building. After writing this, you have to now write here check if your password. Then I will be writing follows all the password rules. So you can see here I've just written this check if your password follows all the password rules. This is the rule which I have written here in this password checker. Then I will be now writing here password container, the ID here, and then I will be again writing the class same I have written at the top, display flex column. Then you have to write here input type text, which is the same. Then I will be giving it the ID which should be password input. After writing this here, you have to write placeholder is equals to the value of type your. Then I will be writing here password here. Now you have to just write the ID here which should be like password, and then you have to write here constraint, and then you have to now write here container. So here I will be writing Then I will be now writing div an ID of range container. Here you have to just now write this thing here. After writing this thing, you have to now just give a space from here, write here class. And in class, I will be now just writing here constraints. So here I will be now doing one thing like, here I will be writing the range container, and then I will be writing here constraints like this. Then you have to write here p tag id range. Then I will be now writing here constraints like this. And then when you've written this here, you have to give it the class which will be like constraints. And then you have to write here para like this. Then you have to now just write here length is in range, and then you have to write here of 8 to 16. Then you have to just move under this p tag, write here I tag class far. Then I'll be writing fa check circle, and here you have to just now write here a tag which should be like correct. Then you have to just move down, write here I tag class, and here I will be writing fa time circle. Then you have to just write here wrong. After writing this, you have to move down, and then after writing this thing, just I will be now making this tag of div class, right here constraints. Then you have to now move down, right here p tag id, and in id I will be writing uppercase dash constraint. So here I will be now writing this, and after writing this constraint, I will be now giving it the class here, and in class I will be now writing here constraints like this, and then here I will be writing here para, and right here contains uppercase, and right here letter. Now when you've written this uppercase letter, you have to write here I tag class, write here fa check, then I will be writing here circle correct. Then you have to move down, and here you have to write class fa dash times, then I will be now writing here circle wrong. And after writing wrong, here you have to just move down, and then you have to write here div class, and here you have to write here constraints. So here I will be now writing, then you have to just write here p tag, then give it the id which should be digit, and write here constraint. So here I will be now writing, then after writing here you have to write class, and in class I will be writing here constraints like this, and write here para, and write contains, write here digits like this. Now after writing the digit value, here you have to write I tag class, and write here fa check circle, and here. So just now here, if I just show you, you can see till here we have just done these all things. After doing this thing, just here I will be now doing one thing like, here I will be moving. You can see here we have just written fa check circle. After writing this, after writing this thing here, we have to now just write here correct. So here I will be moving forward. Then I will be now just moving at the front. You can see here it is written contain uppercase letter. So here I will be now writing contain lower. Then I will be writing here lowercase letter like this. After writing this, here you can see we have just written circle, and then I will be writing here correct. Then write here I tag, and here I will be writing class fa dash check circle. Then I will be now just writing here wrong. Then you have to just move down, right here div again. Then I will be now writing class constraints. After writing this, you have to move down, and then here I will be writing p tag, and then here I will be just now writing here times. So here I will be writing this. Then after writing this, here you have to now just do one thing like, here I will be now you can see here we have just written contain uppercase constraints, and here I will be now just writing here lowercase. So here I will be writing lowercase constraint. After writing this thing, just here you have to now move after this tag here, and after moving in this tag here, we have to now just write a tag here which should be like pid digit constraints. So here I will be now writing digit constraint class, and in class I will be writing constraints, and then you have to write here para, then here you have to write contains digits. Then you have to just move down and write here I tag class far, then I will be writing fa check circle, then I will be now writing here correct. Then you have to move down, right here I tag class fa, and then write here time circle, and write here this time wrong. And then you have to just move down, right here div class, and then I will be writing here constraints. Then you have to move down, and then here this time I will be writing p tag, and here you have to set id which should be like spl, and then you have to write here chair and write constraint. So here I will be writing, then you have to write here class, write here constraints, and then you have to write here para, and here you have to write contains,
and write here special character. So here I will be writing this. Then you have to write here I tag class FAR. Then I will be writing FA check. Then I will be writing here circle correct. So here I will be now writing like this. Then you have to move down. Right here I tag class FA dash times. Then I will be now writing here circle wrong like this. Now you have to save it. Then you have to move after this two divs here and write here div ID. Then I will be writing here password string, and you have to just now write like this and write here container. Then give here the class display flex, and then you have to write here column like this, like at the top we have written. Then you have to now just write here div pre-tag, and in pre-tag I will be writing here password string. So here I will be now writing this. Then you have to give a space, then move down, write here meter tag. So here I will be now making this meter ID. So here you have to make this tag. Write here meter ID is equals to password. Then I will be now writing here strength like this, and write here meter. Min is equals to 0, max is equals to 100, and then close this tag. After doing this, just you have to now move down and write here p tag, and I will be now writing here password is, write here strong tag. Then in this strong I will be writing ID of password strength like this again. Then you have to now write here very weak. So here I will be writing this. Save it. Then you have to reload. So you can see now we are getting all these things. I will be now writing here weak like this. Save, reload, and you can see now we are getting the password strength tag as well. Then we are getting here password is very weak written, and now these are the values which we are getting here. So when you are getting these all stuff, here you have to now just style these all things. So here I will be now just styling this. So I'll be moving to my password checker.css1 file. Then here we have to now style it through Java. So for doing this, we will be writing this tag. Then I will be now writing here font family Poppins, comma sans serif, because I've just paste the URL of Poppins font family at the top. Then you have to write here the margin 0, and I will be now just changing it the padding 0. Then you have to write here body tag, and in body I will be now just writing display flex, and then you have to just write here flex direction, which should be column, and here you have to now just write here justify content, which should be center. Then you have to write here align items, which should be center, and write here min height, and then I will be now writing here 100 VH. Then this time I will be writing background color, which should be like 3 like this. Then you have to move down, right here display flex column, and then you have to now just write here display flex, and here you have to write flex direction, which should be column. So here I will be writing. Then you have to write here justify content, which should be center, and then right here align item center. And here you have to move down, right here main tag, and then you have to write here text color white, and here you have to now write here background color, which should be one. Then here I will be now just moving down, and then right here border 2 pixel solid, and here you have to write white. Then you have to now write here border radius 10 pixel, and then I will be now writing padding 3 rem, and here you have to move down, and then here we have to now just write the password input here. So I will be now writing password input ID. Then here I will be now writing the width 300. So here I will be writing. Then here you have to set height 50 pixel, and here you have to now write text align center. Then you have to now write here margin 20 pixel 0. Then you have to write here padding, which should be 0 10 pixel. Then you have to now write here outline, which should be none. And then when you've written this, you have to now just write here password constraint. Then I will be now writing here container like this, and here you have to move down, then write here display grid. Then you have to now write here place items center. Then you have to now write here constraints again. Then you have to now just write here display flex, and here you have to now write justify content, which should be center, and here you have to write align items, which should be center. Save it, then reload. So you can see now we are just getting this hairstyle. Then after writing this, you have to give it the margin 5 pixel 0. Then you have to move down, and then here I will be writing dot correct, comma, then I will be writing dot wrong, and here you have to now just write here margin left, which should be 5 pixel, write here wrong, and then after writing this, you have to now just write a tag which should be like display, and here I will be now writing display none. Then you have to move down, right here password strength. So here I will be now writing here container like this. Here you have to write margin top 10 pixel like this. Then after writing this, here you have to now just remove this, and then you have to write here password and then this time I will be writing strength, and here I will be writing meter, which should be having the width of 200 pixel. So here I will be writing, then right here password strength again, then I will be now just writing here container, and right here div. Then you have to now just write here display flags, and then here I will be writing justify content which should be center. So here I will be writing, then you have to now write align items in center. After writing this, you have to now write here password strength, and then I will be now writing here container t tag, and here you have to now just move down and then write here margin top, and in margin top I will be writing 10 pixel. So you can see here we have just written save it, then reload. So you can see now we are just getting this, and it is saying that your password range. So it is telling us that the here is your password checker, which is now ready and which we have just built using Java. So now if you write any password here, so I will be now just writing my name here. So you can see it is saying that you are having the lowercase letter, but you are not having the len is the range of 8 to 16. So it is not 8 to 16 words, and it is also not containing any of the uppercase text. So it is saying wrong, and it is also not containing any of the digits. So it is also saying wrong, and it is also just not containing any of the special character, means that your password is very weak. So now we have to make our password strong. So if I write this thing like this, then if I write 1 2 4 3, if I write this password, or you can say if I write 5 like 5 8, so if I write here initial 1258, so you can see now it is saying that length is above 8 to 16, means length is perfect. It is also containing uppercase letter, it is containing lowercase letter as well, it is also containing the digits, but it is not containing any special letter, and our password is medium, not any of the strong as well. So if I write here the special character like this, so you can see now it is saying you are containing it is not still containing any of the special letter. So here you will be getting these special character. You can see if I have written this special character here, means that our password is now working. You can see it is saying that your password is now very strong, because we are containing all the required things which are password needed. So it is needed this length, which is 8 to 16, and now our length is above 8, and it is also containing one uppercase letter, it is also containing lowercase letter, it is also containing the digits, you can see this, and it is also containing the special character, means that our password have all the required things which are strong password needed. And you can see like this, you can just build this password checker. So if you are having nothing in your password, so it will be telling you that you are having only lowercase letter or nothing if you have written, so you will be only getting whitish color like this. So like this we can just build amazing password checker. I hope you understand how we have just built this amazing password checker using Java, and I hope you understand this different video of password checker. If you have understand, enjoy this video of password checker, so remember to hit a like to this video, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can understand like how to build projects using these amazing Java like languages. And I'll be also bringing up tutorial on React 18 as well, like I'm building projects in that. So I'll be bringing up more videos like that, and I'll be also bringing up the big videos which I'm covering up, like I'm building the projects using Next.js 13 and all that languages. So we'll be building that projects as well. So just now I'll be meeting you next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorial using these all amazing languages. So for today, goodbye.